gotta show you guys too before I start the big video, the major video. Look at that. Tires have plenty of tread on them. Check this out. So it's got the full exhaust, 4-inch exhaust. Oh my God, we locked our keys in the car. Thank God we left it unlocked. So this truck has full exhaust and a tuner on it. All right, come on, seat, get up. Wrong side. That's the front license plate bracket. So check this out. Tuner on it. Right there. Boom! SCT Tuner, SCT X4 Tuner, guys. Kick ass, little handheld right there. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. Enjoy. All right. Hey, Mark, take it away. Guys, what is up? It's Mark. Check it out. This, my friends, is the 2012 Ford F-350 LARIAT 6.7 liter turbo diesel kick-ass truck. Check it out. I'm gonna put the tripod down. I haven't seen you guys in a while. If I haven't seen you, hope everybody's doing well. Subscribe. It's getting really crazy here, springtime with all the pollen. It's nuts. Look at this, guys. Just got this truck out of the detail shop. Watch this. Pollen. Ugh! Allergies and everything. I'm gonna set the tripod down here because the wind is really strong. It keeps on falling. So there you go. You just have a seat there. Kick-ass truck, guys. Super, super clean. It's bone stock besides the exhaust, okay? Bone stock. No lift kit on here. Bone stock besides the exhaust on it. And it's got a full, I think it's a full 4-inch exhaust. Dpf Delete. For those of you who don't know, it stands for diesel particulate filter. Put some research into it. Check it out. Anywho, moving on around the truck. I want to do a walk around the truck real quick right there. That, I have a new bumper going on later on this evening to put a cap. It's a corner bumper right there. It's a little, these are easy to take off. I got a brand new pad coming in and a brand new bumper. Small little hatreds right there. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Look past it. This comes off. Allen key, or star key, bolt, comes right off. Replaces really easy. Backup camera right here. You got your goose deck in the back right there. Bed liner, nice little vinyl top cover right there for your bed. Kick-ass truck, guys. I like driving this because here's the deal. Everybody's like, oh, why choose this truck? Why choose that truck? This is one of my favorites because when I jump in this truck, you feel like a man. You feel kick-ass. You feel powerful. People call you up. Your buddy's like, hey, come pull me out of the ditch. Or come pull me out of this ditch. Or come tow me or my trailer. Or come haul some stuff for me. It's easy because this truck is a kick-ass Super Duty truck. Awesome looking wheels, really aggressive from the factory Ford wheels. They're awesome right here. You got your lockers right here. When you put it in full drive, guys, a lot of you guys don't know. Auto, oh, hold on, where are we going? This way. So that's lock. You lock them front and rear, or you lock them left and right, I mean. And then you just pop that sucker back. Can't turn it. There we go. Boom, back to normal. It's easy. This truck's sporting a set of 35, 1250, 20-inch NITTO Terra Grappler G2s. These are a kick-ass tire, guys. Awesome on the highway, awesome on the road. Not a lot of road noise at all, if any. But yeah, nice-ass truck, super, super clean. Let's get your window rain guards right there. Hi, tripod. Hope you guys liked the beginning of the video with the hope you guys liked it. So, moving on with the truck, I'm gonna pop the hood so you can see underneath of it real quick. Interior is gorgeous. While we're here, before I pop the hood now so I remember, Ford floor mats are kick-ass, really, really rugged looking. You pop these up, hose them down, they're good to go. Folding mirrors, you push the switch down. Watch this, ready? Hi! Mirrors fold in, so when you go through drive-through or spots like that, you're good to go. Push it back down again, just pop it down, right back out. And they also extend out and extend in with this button right here. This has a backup camera incorporated into the rear view mirror. Another cool feature I like about this truck. Boom, magically appears. And it's actually pretty accurate. Unlike some backup cameras, they're like, whoa, way more to that side, and boom, you hit something, which I've never done. Knock on this wood grain right here. This truck has 138,000 miles on it. Sounds kick-ass. Ready? Starting up in 3, 2, 1, subscribe. Oh yeah, the sound of a kick-ass Ford, guys. So listen to it, ready? Full 4-inch exhaust. Truck sounds extremely aggressive, and it shows because when you're driving it, people are just like, oh my God, what's that? What's that coming down the road? They look at it, they don't expect this, but then when you look at it and know what it is, you know what's going on. Bone stock under here besides an S&B air filter system, cold air filter system. That's it. So interstate battery, underside's clean. Hope you guys like this video because it's starting to rain out. I got to get going. Busy day ahead of me today. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy this truck. Super nice Ford Blue.